Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a KuCoin account and get started on the platform. First, head over to the KuCoin and click on sign up button. You can use referral code if you have any to unlock some bonuses. If you don't have, you just have to go on. After entering your email, you will receive a 6-digit code sent to your inbox. Simply enter this code to verify your email and proceed. Next, you will need to set up a secure password for your account. Make sure it's strong and unique for extra security. Once your account is created, it's important to complete the KYC verification process. This is a quick and easy way to verify your identity and unlock full access to all features KuCoin offers. Next, I highly recommend enabling Google Authenticator for extra security on your account. This will give you two-factor authentication, which is key for keeping your funds safe. After that, you can dive into the Buy Crypto section where you can easily purchase cryptocurrencies using various payment methods. It's straightforward and user friendly. And also, don't forget about this rewards hub. Here you can complete simple tasks from the exchange to earn bonuses. It's a fantastic way to grab some extra crypto. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.